Today for everyone tell one very cool free use AI make short video methods. Good first. Let's go to Pexels. Download a copyright-free dance video. Search dance on it. Point videos. Click on the filter to select horizontal. Size selection medium. Fortunately, I found a suitable dance video above. Download it. Open with CapCut. Then I finally found this little brother's video. Then we'll find another piece of copyright-free music. What I found is this audition. Click the plus sign to load the music onto the track first. Then click the plus sign on this little brother's video. Load to track. Try the original video. Let's look at the timeline above the track. Its timescale has a mark every 10 seconds. Total length of this video. In this place it can be seen that it is 25 seconds. A grid above this represents 1 second. We split this video into 6 segments. The first segment is split at 5 seconds. Then split a segment every 4 seconds. Until the video is divided into 6 segments. Then the duration of these 6 segments is 5 seconds and 4 seconds respectively. 4 seconds, 4 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds at last. Okay, let's click on the second video. Then right-click and select time zone. Export it as a selection of clips. Give name to 2. Tick video export. The third paragraph is exported in the same way. Repeat the process until all the fourth and fifth paragraphs are exported. Select the time zone after exporting. Deselect area. Next we come to the AI website runwayml. Certainly. First you have to sign up for an account with your email. Log in. Then find Generate Video on the left sidebar. Select the first video to video and click in. Upload the snippet we just exported. Select 2 to open. On the right you can make some settings. Click the preset in the middle. There are many styles to choose from below. Original video. Convert to new videos in various styles. Let's say we convert the second video to balloon face this style. You can click preview style. This style is rather strange. We'd better change it. Click the abstraction. Preview again. Well, the abstraction is good. We choose the first one to generate the video. Wait a few seconds and it will start spawning. Pay attention. Why is the video divided into 4 seconds? Because currently, supported by Runway, free video conversion up to 4 seconds. The video is generated. We click download in the upper right corner. Back button. Repeat the process. Drag the third video in again. Click presets. This time we choose cloud. Preview style. The style is quite interesting. Let's choose the third generated video. Paragraph 4, paragraph 5, repeat the process. For the fourth paragraph, we choose ink. In the fifth paragraph, we will use futuristic. After downloading these videos, we load it into CapCut. Remember their number. We drag the second video onto the second. Replace fragment. Drag the third paragraph onto the third paragraph. But it says the clip is too short to replace. This is because when the runway is converting, cut some time. Because when we cut, possibly a little more than 4 seconds, but the runway is 4 seconds according to the standard, then we don't need to replace. We drag it directly to the track above. See if you can replace the fourth paragraph. Can be replaced. Replace the fifth paragraph again, and it cannot be replaced. Pull on the upper track. Then delete the third paragraph. Insert the third paragraph of the redraw. Fifth paragraph deleted. Then insert the fifth paragraph of the redrawing. Click the transition on the top, select the collapse transition and drag it to the bottom. Then click apply all on the right. At this point we can see the effect. Well, such a journey from reality to magic. Go back to the reality time travel video and it's done. Now you can add such a cool short video posted on social media. Earn a lot of traffic for you. In the end, I converted 4 videos based on. Added 2 more transition videos. At the same time, some screen special effects that come with CapCut are used, such as electro-optical strokes, etc. Take a look at the final effect. That's all for today's video. This is AI Fox. See you next time.
Like, subscribe, turn on the little bell to prevent missing it in the future.
Peace.